If you enjoy using a Nustep machine in your workouts, but you're simply bored of just pedaling all day, today that's all going to change. I'm going to show you a few great Nustep exercises that you can do to spice up your workout routine. If you currently are dealing with any nagging aches and pains and any health issues in your body, I would recommend consulting a doctor before you try out any of these exercises. And if you're not familiar how to use a Nustep machine, I'm going to link a video in the pinned comment that can show you how to use it. Once you're knowledgeable on how you use it, we can begin our workout. Now, the first workout we're going to do is called It's a Climb. This workout is going to start with your workload setting at about a 1 setting. Next, what you're going to do is pedal for an entire minute straight, trying to ultimately keep your steps per minute at a consistent rate. Once you hit 1 minute, you're going to bump up your intensity to the next level and try to complete another minute matching those same steps. You will then slowly work your workload up every single minute until you reach 10 total minutes. The next workout is 30 on, 30 off. Go ahead and bump your intensity setting all the way up to 10. And then what you are going to do is pedal as fast and as hard as you can for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat this interval as many times as you can until exhaustion. The next workout is called 5 minutes in heaven. And no, it's not what you're thinking. Go ahead and set the intensity on the side of the machine to about a medium setting, probably around 4 to 6. Next, what you are going to do is pedal as hard as you can on the machine at about an 8 to 10 scale of exhaustion. You will try to manage this exact workload and speed with your steps for 5 minutes straight. Next workout is called a Farklet. Sparklet is fancy term for simply doing whatever you want, whenever you want. This could be 10 seconds of really hard, 50 seconds of nice and easy, 30 seconds of doing it medium, and 10 seconds of rest. Really, there's no exact programming when you do this. You're just kind of going with the flow of whatever you feel like. Sometimes it's good to have this little switch up in your routine to make it a little bit fun. And the last exercise is doing some hills. I would highly recommend starting your workload at a 10 setting. This routine will be very similar to the 30 on, 30 off. The main difference with this is that you will pedal as hard as you can for 30 seconds at that 10 setting, and then bump the intensity all the way back down to a 1 and do 30 seconds at a very light speed. This one is kind of mimicking going up and down a hill. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel as we help individuals of all abilities inside the gym and become healthier in life. Thanks so much for watching, and check out this other video that I made giving you a few great exercises to help relieve your chronic pain.
I'm out of here, no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away